Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix PS4 controller stick drift, and with these methods that I will show you today, you don't need to take a part of the controller, you don't need to unscrew anything here. You can apply these methods right now and look if it's working for you or not. And in a lot of ways this helped me to just not buy a new controller because I fixed mine. Right, so the first method, what I suggest you to do here is to just move your stick to the one side here, and now there is space here, and so what you need to do here is to blow air. Do from 3 to 5 times, and do with all the sides here. Now blow air, then do this, blow air, and do this, blow air, and then look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then another thing that I suggest you to do here is to locate, of course, the analog stick that's not working for you, you're getting stick drift, and then press this little basically thing here, and then press from all the sides, right? Use a little bit of your force, but of course not a lot. Don't break your controller. And force from every side, and look if the problem is fixed or not. And the last thing what I suggested to do here is to just press your controller, your stick, and then what you need to do here next is to when your stick is pressed, circle around from 5 to 10 times. Then go with another side, and then after you do so, again press for 20 seconds, right? And look if the problem is fixed or not, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it.